Is it ready? So. What should we talk about?
Let's talk about that thing.
The way you said that, I was like...
You know what?
Someone watching me.
I think there's someone following us.
Me too. Did you hear that too?
Yes?
God dang it.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's the rapist. Oh,
Where's Chandler?
God! The Chandler rapist.
Chandler is a raper.
He should feel so special that we're making all these videos about him. You gotta think of...
Because you know what? If he doesn't, he can go to hell.
Hey
no.
now.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Hey. Question for you. Okay, Nikki?
Okay.
You know The Ring, the movie?
Yes.
Do you think she drank the water in the well? Because if she didn't, she'd be stupid, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where did that come from?
My mind. Actually, Chandler's mind.
You're walking sideways.
Ooh, 'cause I'm just so magical.
You're upside down now.
Oh my god.
You're not anymore.
I'm so magical. Don't get my butt. Ew. Never mind. They have a sunroof, dude.
Goodbye.